So question number 12 from 365, it says, in physics, the amplitude of a wave is measured by the absolute value of the difference between the crest height and the trough height of the wave divided by 2. So here's the amplitude equation, crest minus trough. So the position of the top and bottom, when we subtract, we get displacement. We use absolute value, we get the distance, and we divide it by 2 since it's only going to be half the distance from top to bottom. So that amplitude is what we're measuring here. Just to highlight it here, this is the amplitude that we are measuring. Okay, so in question A, it says if you have a crest at a height of 17, a trough at a height of 2, what is the amplitude? So I've drawn the picture here in red. We have the crest at 17, the trough at 2. So find the amplitude. We're going to do the difference between those two positions, and then take the absolute value and divide it by 2. And it doesn't matter if we subtract the crest from the trough or the trough from the crest, okay? Because when we take the absolute value, we will make that into a positive value. So 17 minus 2 divided by 2 gives us an amplitude of 7.5. Okay, so the distance then, the amplitude distance is going to be half the distance here, and that is 7.5 units. For question B, it says a crest is a height of 90 and a trough is a height of negative 90. Well, there's our crest and trough. Okay, we want to find out the amplitude, which is half the distance. Well, we can see that it's 90, but we'll do the calculation. The amplitude is equal to the crest minus the trough. Take the absolute value of that and divide it by 2. So we get 180 divided by 2, which gives us an amplitude of 90. So this distance here is 90, and we can kind of see that by the positioning as well. For C, it says a crest is a height of 1.25 and a trough is at a height of negative 0.5. Okay, so there's our 1.25 and 0.5. The amplitude again is going to be the half distance between the 2 points, and we're going to get the amplitude is equal to the position 1.25 minus the position negative 0.5. Again, that gives us the displacement. We're going to divide that by 2. This is going to be 1.75 divided by 2. So that's going to work out to be 0.875. Okay, so that would represent the amplitude of this wave function.